Hey guys, it's PJ, and I'm doing Shotgun 3, the P1 something. I have to look at the name of it. It's like in Krillies or something like that. Some of my videos yesterday were pretty bad, because I just got really tired. But I'm gonna finish the series today. It's happy birthday to my YouTube channel. This is my 18th. This will be my 19th video. I'm doing pretty good today. I guess I'll do archives. I don't know why it says I like that gun. And then we'll be doing oops, I accidentally turned on my Xbox. Oh, wrong button, wrong controller. That was funny. So let's get on this gun. This gun is the only shotgun with an attachable reflex sight. Yeah, it's the only gun with attachable reflex sight, or shotgun. Ooh, that backfired. Oh, come on. I don't know. So when you're doing this kind of tactical insertion, your reticle is important because it turns red when there's an enemy there. I would think this gun's pretty okay, I guess. I only have one more shotgun episode. There's the stub nose shotgun. I don't know how to get that. But there will be eventually be making a video for it. So the series isn't done. Tell me what you guys want. I'm thinking, since I'm probably gonna finish the series today or tomorrow. Oh, happy birthday. I was thinking I was gonna do map tips for all the maps. If you want a gun like this, I'd suggest a rifle. It's a 3-shot kill. Shotgun's a 2-shot kill. It doesn't have as effective range. Shotgun's a 1-shot kill. Rifle's a 3-shot kill. But yeah. So on this map, I have 2 strategies which I will be giving to you, and I'll also give you some tips for the map. This is a very favorite map. PT1 in Krillies is wrong button again. I pushed the Xbox controller again. I'm gonna move this. It's a pretty good gun, I guess. I'm gonna do the, what do you call that? I can't remember. It's the fully automatic shotgun. I'll be doing that on facility. The Mastodon. So, see you for my next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and favorite.